Kim Chu at Paolo Avellino spotted magkasama sa pag-jogging sa California. Kimi at ASAP celebrities may press conference. Spotted ang magkasintahang Kim Chu at Paolo Avellino kung saan nga ay ilang araw din silang hindi magkasama. Maraming mga fans ng dalawa ang nami-miss na sila na magkasama. Kuha ang isang clip video ng isang netizens na nasa lugar din kung saan nag-jogging ang dalawa.
Yes.
Tell us where we're
Okay. Okay, so just 1 minute of photo op, please, our distinguished panelists. Just 1 minute of photo op. Okay. Standing. Yes, standing, please. Yes. Okay. Smile, guys. By the way, we are being live streamed. We already mentioned to you the accounts where we are being live streamed. Okay.
There's the guy.
Perfect. Okay. Thank you so much. And then our panelists can now take their seats. Thank you so much. Okay, distinguished panelists, let's pump up the crowd. Let's start with June Del Rosario, and then I'm going to call on you guys. Each one will have a greeting for our audience here in Ontario, California. Let's start with our ABS-CBN Global COO, June Del Rosario.
Good morning, everyone. Maraming salamat po for celebrating
Pwede ka ba ulitin? Go Biga! Go Biga! Diba? Hello, everybody! It's gonna be 100 times more on Saturday. Magandang umaga po sa inyo. Tsaka, thank you so much sa pagpunta dito. And then, maraming salamat po ngayon pa lang sa lahat ng mga bumili ng ticket and manonood ngayong Sabado. Thank you very much from the entire ASAP family. Thank you.
Just a shout out for Kim. She won an international award for Best Actress.
Speech!
What's up, everybody? Parang wala ulit.
Okay.
Speech!